Hey guys, it's Star the Flippin' Hippo. Thank you for joining us on our YouTube channel at Flippin' Hippos. We're going to do a haul video today. So last weekend on Saturday we went out to yard sales, and if you watched my vlog on Tuesday, it was kind of a yard sale fail day. We did find two Nerf gun super soakers, paid $1 a piece. We listed them on Monday and they sold overnight for $35 plus shipping, which was awesome. And then on Sunday we went to the Goodwills for 99-cent day. Red tags were 99 cents and green were half off. So we only went to two Goodwills, and we spent right at or right over $50 at each Goodwill. And we actually picked up quite a few things that weren't 99 cents this weekend, so we didn't quite get 100 items. But we got a bit, and I have picked out the most exciting to me, I guess. Just some highlights of what we found. You guys can see kind of like the brands we look for, and the kind of stuff I get excited to find. So I have something over here that I'm going to, we'll do that at the end, because I'm actually going to have to get up and bring it over. So let's just look at this pile first. We'll start with my plushies. Look at this. Woo! Look at that. Isn't he cute? I actually saw Odie first, and I didn't realize that he was attached to Garfield. Kind of like the way he was laying, I saw Odie, and I went to grab him up. I'm like, oh, it's a little mini Odie. And then I saw Garfield. I'm like, oh, there's two of them. I can sell them together. And no, they're attached. So it's like a Garfield Santa. He's got a little Odie attached to him. He's pretty big. He's pretty large. And I did pay up. I paid $1.99. It has a limited 25 years edition on his foot. I haven't ran comps yet, but I'm thinking I'm probably going to ask $20 to $25 for him. And, oh my gosh, this thing is so darn cute. So, it says Halloween stew, 2 trembling toads, 12 crunchy caterpillars, 3 spooky spiders, and 1 jar of June bug jelly. And it's like a little witch's cauldron, and it has 2 frogs in it.
I wonder what will happen when the witch comes back. Something bad can happen when the witch comes back. It might be something scary or extraordinary. We'll be very wary when the witch comes back. But wait, at the door, I think the witch is back. I'm creaking at the door. Oh yes, the witch is back.
So they sing and they croak, and they are so adorable. I am looking, I believe the price tag fell off. I paid $1.99 for it. I don't know where the sticker went. I don't know that this is going to get listed in my store, to be honest with everybody. Halloween is my favorite holiday, and this is just so cute. So I paid $1.99 for it. I have to decide if I'm going to sell it or not. I'm in love with those little frogs. Okay, here's a tie that Keith found. It is a red tag, so it was 99 cents. It's not an exciting brand, it's just J. Garcia, which is okay. But the print on it was super nice. Like orange leaves. It's just like a more unique graphic on a tie. We figure for 99 cents we'll try it. And I found like 4 pairs of Not Your Daughter's jeans and like 3 pairs of Lucky Brand, like 1.7 for All Mankind, and I paid $2.50 to $3.50 for all of them. I did not find any 99 cents jeans this weekend. I was actually being more picky. Typically I'll pick up all the mall brands for 99 cents, you guys know that, but with the warmer weather I'm kind of pulling back on my jeans and being more choosy. And then when fall comes, as we get into fall and winter, I will be getting lots more jeans and picking up all the mall brands and the jeans I can flip for $20 for 99 cents. But with the weather being warmer, and the amount of jeans I already have in the store, I'm actually being a lot more picky with my jeans and only picking up like the brands I know I can flip for 25 and higher. And a lot of those I end up paying the half off color. I get them on the half off sale, that sticker. And then I've been focusing more on women's shorts and women's swimsuits and stuff just for the season. So I didn't pick up any 99-cent jeans. They had a lot of them that, you know, were fall or winter I would have loaded up on, but again, I'm being more choosy. And I didn't bring anything to show you because they're just, the ones I did get were just, you know, your, not your daughter's jeans, your Lucky brands. 7 for All Mankind, I did get one of those. I got a couple 7.7s and a couple X2s, if you guys haven't heard of those. But this, this was red, so it is 99 cents. I've never sold Lucky brand pants that aren't jeans before. We have had like the Lucky brand men's t-shirts. We've had 2 of them, and they sold really well for us. But these are just like black chinos. I guess, yeah, chinos, khakis, dress slacks. I'll use all those keywords when I list them. And just, you know, for 99 cents, I figured, what the heck, I know it's a good brand. I will try these pants and see what happens. And then this is probably just going to be like a $12 to $14 t-shirt, so it's nothing too exciting. It was 99 cents, but I just thought the graphic on it was cute, so I wanted to show you guys. It says Play On Player. It's from Candy Crush. Most of us are familiar with the Candy Crush game on the phone. This one was really exciting. Red tag, so I paid 99 cents, but it's new with tags, and it is a Hard Rock Cafe Las Vegas, and it still has its tag, and the MSRP is $37.95, so I'll probably ask for like $20 to $25 for this, or I should say Keith will probably ask because he lists all of our men's shirts. We do really well with the Hard Rock Cafe. This is a polo, but we do good with these. We do good with the t-shirts. So that's a good polo for you guys. Anything with the Hard Rock Cafe is good to pick up. Certain cities will fetch more money. Like when you look up the comps, certain Hard Rock Cafes in different cities, you can ask for more. You can flip it for a higher amount. And some will move quicker than others. I guess it just depends on the popularity of that city or whatever. We haven't ever had a Las Vegas one before, so I'm curious how quick this is going to go. And with being new with tags and only 99 cents, Hard Rock Cafe stuff all day long, guys. And then this is not an exciting brand. Oop, sorry. It's Oscar de la Renta. Red tag though, so it was 99 cents. Oscar de la Renta is one of those brands we'll pick up if we find it for $1 because it flips for like $12 to $14, sometimes $16. It is the wrong season for a sweater, but because it was new with tags and the MSRP on it's a nice one. $50. For 99 cents, even though it's a sweater in the middle of summer. It's new with tags, so we're going to try it. And you guys, there are a lot of people out there who say this brand is one that they will not touch, that it's not worth it. And that's fine with us because then that's less competition because we pick these up all the time. And we get $18 to $20 on them every time without fail. This is the Lacoste. And when you buy Lacoste polos, you want to look for this original alligator. Now I know I have talked about this brand before in one of my what's sold on eBay videos. I had sold a pair of men's like cargo shorts, tan khaki cargo shorts that had the alligator on them, and I got $20 for those, and we get 18 to 20 all day long for the polos. But I have actually seen, like, in the reselling groups on Facebook where people say that these aren't worth it. Don't pick them up, don't touch them. Well, that's fine with me because then I have less competition, like I said, and we sell these all day long, 18 to 20 bucks, and they usually go within the first month of being listed. So this was a green tag. We paid $2.50 for it. Now, these are something I look at every week when we go to Goodwill. Every Goodwill we go into, I check out, most of them have the Vera Bradley. Most of them have the Vera Bradley purses like together in one spot, and I'm always peeking at them. And this is the first time I ever found any that had the collar tag of the week. So this was originally $14.99, and I got it for 99 cents. It is a Vera Bradley purse. I won't know what I'm going to ask for it until I actually do the comps. The different prints and the different styles for Vera Bradley make a difference when you are comping them. Some of the prints, I guess, are retired, so they're more sought after and you can ask for more money. And some of the styles are more popular. What I do, just a quick life hack, if you will, for you guys. When I do the photographs of my Vera Bradley, I take a close-up of the print, and then you can Google image search that print, and it will usually pull up the name of the print for you and pictures of it so you can make sure you got the right one. And then I go into eBay and I search for Vera Bradley and the name of the print. They all have like cute names. And then I go through the solds and find that style of bag that looks like mine. And now I know the name of my bag and the name of my print, and I can get my comps right there. And I got all my keywords for my title. So this was another one. That was $14.99, and I got 99 cents a piece. And like I said, I look at the Vera Bradley every week, and I've never even seen like them half off. So they must go pretty quick. These are pretty expensive when they're new. So I was excited to find two at 99 cents each. And then here is my, I would call it my coup de grace, except that I'm not too sure anymore. I was really excited when I found these, and I'll show you what I paid for them. I paid $6.99. I pay $6.99 for my silver jeans all day long, and I usually flip those for $35 to $45. So I figured that these would be worth $6.99 as well. But we kind of looked up some comps, and I think I'm going to be disappointed. But if I make a couple bucks, then that's great. But it's only a couple of bucks, you know. It's not like my $20 returns on my silver jeans. But I guess I just got kind of carried away because I have never found this brand before. This was my first one. Coogie or Coogie, I'm not sure how you say it. I just know that I usually see people losing their minds when they find this brand and getting very excited. These do have like the different collar stitching, and they have the big name on the butt, but they don't have any of the like really awesome graphics or crazy stuff going on. So I'm gonna have to do a little more research on my comps for these and see what I can end up asking for them. I just don't think I'm going to be as excited as I thought I was, but you live and you learn. So I'm gonna go over here and grab this thing and bring it back. Give me 1 sec. Okay guys, so we have been reselling for a year and a month give or take. This will be our second yard sale season. And in that entire year, and numerous hundreds upon hundreds of yard sales, and hundreds upon hundreds of visits to Goodwill, Salvation Army, our local honeypot thrift. There's another thrift store out near Kennywood amusement park, if you guys have heard of that we sometimes go to. For a year, all these hundreds upon hundreds of places that we've been to, we have been looking for these. We have been looking for one of these, and we never found one. So we finally found one in the wild. We found it at the Goodwill this past Sunday. It is the first one we have ever found, and we actually actively look for these because these are awesome. It is the VCR DVD combo. For some reason, the VCR DVD combo machines are very popular, and they flip for a lot of money. Now, your DVD players and your VHS players alone, they're cheap, they're not worth anything, and people are not looking for those. They want these combos. I don't know why, but they do. So these are a bolo, and I know that there are resellers out there who can go out every weekend and come home with 10 of these, and you know, I'm so jealous. I wish I could go out every weekend and come home with 10 of these. Like I said, we've only ever found one, and we actively look for these. This is a Sony, so it's an okay brand. It is listed in the store. I believe Keith has it at $70 plus shipping. So we did not do free shipping on it. We also won't turn the free returns on it. It works. Everything 100% works. It came with its remote, which is a bonus. They do go for more money if you have their remote with them. This was taped to the top at the Goodwill. So we put batteries in it. We tested the machine. We tested the remote. Everything worked. So he is asking $70 for it plus shipping. We have already had 2 buyers offer on it. I think one of them started at like 50, and the last thing he did was 65, and we went back with 70. Yeah, because like I said, we want 70 for it, but we always list everything 25% higher than what we want so we can run sales. And the first offer came in under an hour before a sale had been ran on it, and it was still at like 80 something. But yeah, we've had 2 offers already on this, so it's definitely getting attention. Didn't flip as fast as our Nerf guns. Those went overnight, but I'm sure it'll sell pretty fast, and I'm sure we're gonna get our asking price is $70 or very close to it. It does have the remote, which is exciting, and we paid $9.95 for it. So this is a definite bolo. You guys that can find these easily, good for you. This is like our holy grail that we can never find. So you guys, let me know down below if you had any luck sourcing this week. Have you found any of your personal holy grails, or have you found a brand that you have been searching for forever? Did you finally find it? Let me know down below. And if you haven't already and you would like to, please subscribe to our channel and help us feed a hungry hippo. You can find us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. We are at Flippin' Hippos. Until next time, you guys have a good night.